say birds of the same feather. Flock together, left from whatever. Been some lonely endeavors. With your eyes to the heavens, they never expected. Find myself flying the highest when I'm an eagle in perfect alignment. Get faith or die trying. I feel like David, I see Goliath. I think I'm Daniel. Take out the
Hi, it's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm coming through for you, girl. So today I'm going to show you guys how I pre-poo products from By Made Beautiful, and they have an Esquire line, a Pure line, and a True line. And this line that I'm going to pre-poo with is the Esquire line. This is how much I got left of it left. So it's a pre-poo, and I use it in my hair and my daughter's hair, and it's a pretty awesome product. So as you guys know, I am pregnant, so I did the other sections before I stood up and did the last section for y'all. I did this for y'all, okay? So this is how my hair looking right now, pre-pooed right now on this side. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do this side right here. This is how my hair looked before. So we're gonna split this section in half right here because I have thick hair, so I got to split it up. Here go my water bottle. So with my hair, personally, when I pre-poo or pre-shampoo, I spray water first and I try to detangle it with my fingers. So that's how I finger detangle, with just water only. Now you're going to see me apply the product, and then I add the product on there. So I'm going to show you how I do it, just like that.
Follow, deep in the streets was press, you know I follow. My homeboy Creme, he got hit with hollows. And ever since the day my heart been filled with sorrow, I remember being in and out of shelters.
Now you're going to see me use a comb to comb it out from the bottom to the top, okay?
Where the prayers nobody to vent to. Things have changed, they even to switch to. Standing strong, I walk with the slim too. And every trial, you know that I get.
Now you see that? It's detangled and my hair smells so good. This product smells really good. So that's one thing I do like about it. Also, I feel like it's very healthy. I don't know why. It don't feel like it's... Yes, that's me. I'm busy. You gonna be quiet? So like I was saying, I like the product. It's pretty awesome. And I'm gonna show you guys the rest of how I pre-poo, and then I'll show you how it's rinsed out. So Esquire By Made Beautiful spray for children and parents to pre-poo detangler. Shea butter, honey, and coconut milk. It softens and detangles. How to use: before shampooing hair, apply a generous amount, massage into hair, detangle using a wide tooth comb, and rinse. So guys, let me know how you feel about pre-pooing or pre-shampooing. What's your favorite pre-poo or pre-shampoo? Do you do DIYs or do you buy it? Let me know in the comment section what you like to do. Do you do that extra step, or you be like, I'm just straight shampooing? Let me know in the comment section. Deuces.
On the block, guns bustin'. They ain't had to take my cousin. Yeah, I had to change my lifestyle. Yeah, I found Christ, that's my lifestyle. Yeah, I need him now, need him right now. Right now. Tell me.